ba wala kayo lahat para yung mga barangay captain para sila masisi? Hindi nyo ba sinadya yun?
The decision of the PAMBI was based on their na the area is titled property before the law.
Hindi pwede yun. Dapat i-brainwash mo sarili mo. Huwag mo sasagutin ng ganyan. Kasi kung hindi ka na dapat nag-supervisor ng protected area. Hindi ka marunong. Ikaw pa naman ang supervisor ng protected area. Ganyan ang mentality mo. Kaya nagkakaganyan ng mga protected area. Mali yan. Ano sinabi mo sa kanila nung ipinipresent mo yung pagtatayo ng resort sa Chocolate Hills? Ano sinabi mo?
Actually, ma'am, during the deliberation is as secretariat, I'm just only taking down notes of the proceedings. Then, as I understand, they approved the said project because it is within the titled property of the proponent and the location is within the multiple use zone. And beside,
hindi mo naisip na pag you're doing it in a protected area, the major consideration is if it adapts to the protected area?
Yes, ma'am. I know that the project is within the protected area, but then
that's a different story altogether. It's not anymore a business. It's meant to enhance the protected area.
But then, yes, ma'am. But then, I understand that the PAMBI, because in our law, we also, in Rule 22 of the IRR, it is said that we also respect the vested rights of the proponent. So, the vested right of the property owner.
When you're in a protected area, the first consideration is the protection of the protected area. It's not the right of the homeowner. Malas ka kung ang lupa mo nasa protected area.
Yes, ma'am, but maybe it is also the
question lang ho.
Yes,
during the hearing, hindi naman ho kayo nagsalita at nag-present doon sa during the PAMBI meeting. Did you make any presentations?
Hindi po.
So who did the presentation?
The committee chair presented the project.
Si Kapitan.
Yes po, may hindi yung presiding officer.
So sino nag-present?
Yung chairman ng committee po.
And during the presentation, ano yung meron ba dong explanation kung ano yung negative, positive effect nung itatayo doon sa in between the Chocolate Hills? May ganun ho bang study?
They only presented the project.
Wala yung mentality nila na
kung ano yung na-present ng proponent. Then during sa inspection nila,
wait, so technically ha, parang lumalabas sa PAMBI hearings, you don't provide a study of the negative impact, or kung walang negative impact, ano yung walang ganong presentation?
That is why, ma'am, after the issuance of PAMBI clearance is they also required to secure ECC.
Pero ang sa akin lang ho, kasi dapat dun sa PAMBI level pa lang, we already provide the members technical knowledge dun sa i-approve nila na bagay. Kasi kung hindi rin pala natin binibigyan sila ng explanation kung ano yung magiging impact dun sa protected area, di parang walang sayang lang yung hearing na gano'n, because we're not giving them knowledge kung ano ba yung implication na i-approve nila. Kasi kung ganyan, lahat na lang ng PAMBI hearings ma-approve na yan. Kasi wala naman palang ganong discussion or exchange.
If I may be allowed, ma'am, no? The board, the PAMBI, is allowed to create committees, no? In the committee, may role din yung PAMO na mga staff, no? They are to provide, of course, the selection of the members of the committee and the chair of the committee. Kung ano yung kanyang committee, yung meron siyang relevant training, profession niya, ganun po, no? And then, our staff.
Hindi, for example nga ho, Yusek, kung yung committee chairperson for in this instance, I would assume barangay captain yung committee chairman. Tama po ba?
Kaya nga po ba, I'm going further. Is that it is also the duty of the people at our PAMO to give timely
And
relevant
and
information.
in this case, was that given?
I'll give it back.
And in this case, was that given? That timely, ano yung sinabi niyong word? Timely,
Relevant
yan?
information.
Relevant
for
information.
Decision making.
Was this given dun sa mga members ng PAMBI?
Yes, ma'am.
Given.
Yes, ma'am.
So, dun sa presentation, sinabi niyo kung ano yung magiging negative impact?
Kasi before they presented the project to the INBANC is they conducted site inspection, the committee. So during the site inspection,
At ma'am,
they discussed-
babalikan ho natin kaya very important for me yung DNR. Kasi it's more than just looking at it. 'Di ba? So dapat pag-aaralan nyo, pag naghukay ba dito, meron bang matatamaan ba yung Chocolate Hill or... So I think for me, very important is the scientific study nung project. May ganun ho bang ginagawang scientific study in our protected areas every time na may itatayo tayong structure?
Ma'am, meron kaming request for a stopping pattern. But let's go to the field, no? Ngayon, ina-assign lang namin doon sa PAMO, yung mga technical people. Every protected area, may kanya-kanyang objectives. No? May kanyang trait,
Excuse me,
may
Yusek,
kanyang...
hindi po pwede kanya-kanya eh. We
No,
only have one objective and that is
ibig
to
sabihin,
protect.
specifically, like Buri Island, protected landscape, iba ang pinag-uusapan doon.
Hindi, pero lahat to constant yung protection.
Yes po. So
Kasi
we
parang
see to
lumalabas
it.
ho dito, mas nag-focus tayo dun sa multiple use.
Like this one, Chocolate Hills. We see to it that the people we assigned at the PAMO assisting the board have necessary training to be able to give, to educate the members of the PAMBI.
So, is it safe to assume that the PAMU gave a recommendation na okay lang magtayo ng resort dun sa in-between ng Chocolate Hills?
Hindi naman ako yung nag-approve, ma'am. So as I said, ma'am, as I am only the secretariat during the meeting. So the decision,
Wala kayo lahat para yung mga barangay captain, para sila masisi. Hindi nyo ba sinadya yun?
hindi naman, ma'am. Andyan. Kasi mga, actually,
Kilala ko mga barangay captain sa amin, hindi naman nila alam ang environment. City pa kami, ha? Lalo na yung barangay captain sa probinsya. Ano nalalaman yan sa environment? So, bakit mo pababayaang sila mag-decide? Ba't hindi kayo nakialam?
But yung nga, yung information na yun,
Ordinary
kasi
people,
parang,
hindi man.
yun na nga, parang hindi na-capture ng supposed to be may technical capability yung negative impact ng project sa Chocolate Hills.
Hindi niya nga, tingin niya, ari niya,
ang
can do it.
lahat yung mga negative impact, ma'am, pag may isisi, makapture na yun.
So, di ba parang sayang lang ho yung, bakit naghihiring pa tayo sa PAMBI? Kung on that level, dapat nagsastart na yung protection on that level.
That is mandated by law, ma'am, that all project shall pass through the PAMBI.
Yun na nga, pero parang nagiging mindset nyo, all projects na dumadaan sa PAMBI for approval. But on your level, pwede nyo nang pwede nyo nang itigil yung project
Ulitin ko lang, ma'am, the decision of the PAMBI was based on their, na the area is titled property before the law.
Pag titled property ka, bine-brainwash na kita. Kahit titled property yan, pag yan ay nasa protected area, you are not allowed to do anything with it nang hindi nyo kinoconsider yung protection of the protected area. Hindi absolute ang power mo. Malas ka na ang iyong lupa ay nasa protected area. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede yun. Dapat i-brainwash mo sarili mo. Huwag mo sasagutin ng ganyan. Kasi kung hindi ka na dapat nag-supervisor ng protected area. Hindi ka marunong. Bakit mo sinasagot ng gano'n na siya may-ari ng property, he can do anything with it because that his titled property? Hindi. Pag ang titled property mo nasa protected area, you're not allowed to do that. It should be analyzed if that would be it will have a negative impact on the protected area. Ikaw pa naman ang supervisor ng protected area, ganyan ang mentality mo, kaya nagkakaganyan ang mga protected area. Mali yan. Mali yan. Hindi mo i-reason na it's a titled property. Malas ka na yung titled property mo nasa protected area. You're not allowed to do that. Yes.
I-correct ko lang po yung kay Madam Senator. We're talking of PAMBI regular meetings, hindi po hearing. So, i-correct ko lang po. Meetings lang po.
Nag-approve sila
Yung nga po, it's a regular meeting, ma'am.
Miski regular
Yes.
meeting yun.
Correct ko lang
Baka
po.
meeting na hindi nag-approve sila.
Yes,
Kaya
ma'am.
natin tinatanong what happened during that meeting because in-approve nila yung
Yes, ma'am.
resort. It's not an ordinary meeting. If it's just an ordinary meeting, wala tayong pag-uusapan dito.
Ma'am,
It's the meeting that
Yes.
approved the resort.
That's right, ma'am.
Oh.